If we want to reach our climate goals, we need to move away from fossil fuels and toward the use of green gases, such as hydrogen. Natural gas will be gradually replaced with hydrogen, first as blends and then as pure hydrogen. Our entire gas infrastructure is being prepared for this changeover. In one example, starting in 2025, all new gas boilers installed in the UK will have to be ready to work with pure hydrogen. Soon, similar requirements will be in place for gas meters. And Sensirion's gas metering modules are ready. A single sensor can already measure natural gas, blends, and pure hydrogen. The compact size of the gas meter stays the same, regardless of hydrogen content. This is different from mechanical meters, which must triple in size to account for the low calorific value of hydrogen. By installing thermal mass gas meters today, utilities can save on the future cost of replacing those meters as hydrogen is introduced in larger quantities. The future is green. Make sure you're ready with thermal mass gas meters.